Today, I'll show you how to get my CapCut project onto your computer. I tried transferring it from my computer to my girlfriend's laptop, and it worked. That's why I would appreciate any feedback on whether it worked for you or not. The version for this file is 5.71. Let me know if it worked for you on older or newer versions. I have prepared this YouTube transition for you into a separate project. Here in details, you can see the path. We need to get to the place where projects are saved, but not to a specific project. Now, I'll find this project and copy it into a zip file and send it to you on Drive with the YouTube logo. Download both to your desktop or wherever you want. Now open one of your CapCut projects and see where your projects are saved. Open this file. Now open the Guidie 1 zip and move the Guidie 1 file to the others. Be careful not to accidentally drop it into another project. Now open CapCut. Click on search and type Guidie 1. It should find my project. When you open it, it will look like this. Click on Media Link. Find the file where you saved the image and then click on Open. You can then, for example, drop another logo there and drag it onto the timeline to replace it, and you have the same animation with another logo. Please let me know in the comments if this procedure worked for you or at which step it failed. Thanks for watching. I hope I helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Have a nice day.